And this week on Dreamweaver,
we installed the new Highfield dinghy. Boy, am I glad to get this. This is fantastic. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. All right, the dinghy comes all nicely wrapped. So it's all wrapped up in a box. Let's open it up. This is a Highfield CL310, which is the classic 310 rib dinghy. Has an aluminum hull, 3 lifting points, and a bow locker. Also comes with fuel storage as standard. And it's really a great dinghy, 10 foot 2 inches, and will carry 5 people at a time, and up to a 20 horsepower engine. Highfield did a really great job of packing this thing so it wouldn't get damaged in shipment, or even damaged when you was carrying it from the facility that you buy it from to where you're going to actually put it on the boat. Also, I'd like to thank Mark at McCotter's Marina, which is in Little Washington, North Carolina. Mark helped us out a lot on getting this dinghy. We was having a really hard time finding one, and he helped us a lot, let me tell you. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that. And so if you're looking for a Highfield dinghy, give McCotter's Marina and Boatyard in Little Washington a call. Mark will help you out. Just ask for him and tell him you saw it on Dreamweaver.
No, you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in a mood, I can be rotten. I could be cool, mind at the fool, but never forgotten.
Poking this at it. Yeah. So it's got a place to lock it here. Put a lock on it. Raise this up. You put all your valuables in there. Anchor. Then you can also put your gas can in there and strap it down. Got a place for the line to run through the boat. Come all the way back out to the back. A lot of thought in this thing. I like it. Alright, we'll put her together, put her on Dreamweaver. She's gonna like her, I think. It's gonna be nice. Also in the box, it comes with an under-seat bag and a Highfield dry bag. You also get a foot pump, oars, repair kit, and all the paperwork, and a nice zipper bag to keep all your paperwork in.
I can be rude, be in a mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your...
Okay, it's time to connect it to the dinghy davits and hoist it up. What I like is it has 3 points that you can connect to, and they're really down low inside of the boat, of the dinghy itself. So that way you can pull it up much further than we could our other dinghy. You can get it up a lot higher, so you can get it up above the name on the back of the boat. Okay, you can see here that we've added a set of bridle straps so it would level the dinghy out better. And the best way to blow this thing up is with a Harbor Freight vacuum cleaner. You can get a vacuum cleaner that's 20 volt DC, so it has a battery pack, and also you can power it with 120 volt. It will blow that dinghy up in just a few minutes, no problem. Now that we've inflated the dinghy, it's time to insert the seat. The seat's really nice. It has a little cup holder, and we also have a cushion that'll go on that seat too. And you can move the seat either in the front or the back. You can see we moved it to the back, and now we have a cushion on it, and also the under-seat storage bag that comes with it. It's pretty nice. You can put some articles on there you want to kind of keep dry and out of the way. Okay, now that we have it all inflated, it's time to raise it up on the dinghy davits and get this Highfield CL310 installed on Dreamweaver. Man, we can't wait. This is exciting.
In a town I didn't know, I never got her name, but I had a light and she was a flame. We swayed 4 hours to the wrecking machine, playing quiet from a balcony.
Next, we need to crank the new 15 horsepower motor that we got for it. It's a Daihatsu. Here we are with the Daihatsu, 15 horsepower to go on the dinghy. So it's looking pretty good. We're gonna see if we can fire. We already have cranked it once, so we're gonna try to crank it again. All right, John, let's see how many pulls it takes. So I'll put this back on. This is the keel switch. Okay, got that. Are we ready?
Yep.
Make sure it's out of gear. Yep. It's forward. John, I think we got a good deal on this thing. Oh, go on the John likes it. All right, going on the dinghy. Well, try to get the dinghy motor on. Well, I didn't have any help to get the dinghy motor on, so I thought I'd give it a shot by myself. I thought if I could get it up on the dinghy on the transom, then by using the engine lift, then maybe I could get it bolted on. It's quite heavy, so I gave it my best shot, and you know, I succeeded. Let down a little more. Not quite down far enough. Give it another try. Once I had it on the transom, all I had to do then was just tighten up the 2 big screws that hold it to the transom itself. Okay, now it's time to release the engine hoist to see if the dinghy will actually hold the weight of the engine. Make sure I have it bolted to the transom very well. Okay, it all looks good, so I think this is going to finish this project up. So we're glad to get the dinghy and the 15 horsepower Daihatsu. This has been a good project, and it really looks good on the back of the boat.
Next episode on Dreamweaver.
The side of the boat has really gotten dirty. It's got all this brown mess on it.